Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Thanksgiving banners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Koksuli Thanksgiving Banner. It is made of 100% natural jute burlap, durable and reusable. It's a must-have Thanksgiving party decoration for your party and family reunion. You can hang this banner over fireplace or mantle or on the wall. It will certainly be a huge time saver in getting decorations ready for your Thanksgiving party. This 9.8 feet long string is enough to hang the banner anywhere you want. The banner features a cute simulated maple leaf which is more beautiful than printed one. You will receive 1x rustic Thanksgiving banner, durable with no shedding. It is durable for many time use because of its premium and sturdy burlap material. It is easy to fold after use, save your space. At number 5 we have Fesity Thanksgiving Banner. This is a eco-friendly high-quality polyester cloth porch sign hanging banner. The sturdy enough to use for long time, reusable and durable. The alphabet gift Knacks autumn porch sign comes with patterns turkey. Each banner comes with hang rope, so it is very easy to hang. Each flag banner size is 72 inch x 12 inch. There are wooden rods on the top and bottom to increase the weight of the banner. At number 4 we have Fesity Thanksgiving Banner. This eco-friendly high-quality polyester cloth porch sign hanging banner background. There are wooden rods on the top and bottom to increase the weight of the banner. Each banner with hang rope, so you can hang them in designated places easily. Such as wall, home, yards, outdoor or indoor, etc. The Give Thanks banner porch sign, perfect for the autumn and Thanksgiving Day. And boost atmosphere for your party. You can put them indoor and outdoor, front door, porch, etc. At number 3 we have Phuket Thanksgiving Banner. The customized adorable fall decor pack comes with 9 pieces Thanksgiving honeycomb centerpieces in different styles. Each of the Thanksgiving decor table ornament of honeycomb is approximately 7.2 by 5.5 inches when unfolded. The sizes of stickers are different, which are made of self-adhesive paper material. The surface is covered with a waterproof film, not easy to break and fell. Each size of the Give Thanks banner flag is 8 by 6.3 inches. You can use these fall home decors to decorate your fireplace, dining room table or anywhere around the house. Number 2 we have Fesity Thanksgiving Banner. This Happy Thanksgiving Day banner is high-quality eco-friendly fabric sign poster backdrop banner. The soft smooth material is durable and washable. It can be reused. The banner design perfect for your autumn harvest theme and Thanksgiving Day. There is enough length rope to hang in outdoor and indoor bedroom and wall, etc. It come with 4 holes at the corner with the long rope. Use 157.4 meters sturdy hemp rope. It can easy to pass through the copper buckle and hang it up. At number 1 we have Catch On Thanksgiving Banner. This adorable Happy Thanksgiving banner is extra large size of 120 by 20 inch. This Thanksgiving fall banner outdoor is made from lightweight, sturdy and smooth. The thick cloth fabric material that is tear resistant and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The best part is that this beautiful Thanksgiving decorations outdoor is durable enough so that you can use it next fall season. This Thanksgiving banner decorations has metal ring on the each corner. You can strap it with the ribbon. That is already included in the package. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Thanksgiving banners for your need.